Hello everyone, this is Miss Toledo, and I am coming to you to show you a really quick Tech Talk Tuesday tip. So in Schoology, this is my sandbox, and I want to just show you guys one of the most, in my opinion, underutilized feature that Schoology has. If you are in one of your classes, if you click add materials, there is this add a discussion. Now, this discussion feature is super important, I think. You can use it for something as simple as a check-in, how was your weekend, how are you doing, or you can make it something a little bit longer. So a check for understanding that has a couple of parts. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like as the teacher posting it, and then what it would look like for students. So here I'm just going to click add discussion. So we're going to create, and this is going to be check-in, or no, we'll do CFU number 1. And you guys know I teach ELA. The question that I'm going to make is, what is theme and why is it important? To understand the theme of a story. So it's a 2-part question. You could always make it something a little bit more in depth. You could always add more. The really cool thing about this is that you could add a file. If you wanted the kids to watch a video, or if you wanted a link to a YouTube video, you could add that here. If you had something, an anchor chart or something already saved in your resources, you could add that here. And the one really cool feature that I love is this audio video recording. Now, you could use this and record the question. You can restate the question for kids that might need a question restated, because that's something that's in their IEP. Or you can make a video of yourself doing some sort of action, and that really comes in handy with kids who are a little bit more limited, or if you wanted to show them something. I always recommend clicking the enable grading, and then you would have to, like all assignments, select your grading category. Here, this is a sandbox, so I don't have my grading category set up. But the one really cool feature that I love about this is that members cannot see other responses before participating. So if you are in a class of 15 kids, and some kids really have no idea what to post, and they are people that like to go into the comments and take somebody else's answer, if you select this, they can't do that. They have to come up with something first before all of the other kids' answers are shown they can see the other kids' answers. You could always, again, copy this to your other courses. These other options are the exact same that you would see in all of the other assignments, but this is that key thing for these discussion posts. So I'm going to just click create, and here it is. And I'm going to view this now. I'm going to just view this course as my student, who is Miss Lopez. So this is what she would see in this check for understanding. What is theme and why is it important for you to understand the theme of the story? Let's say she wanted to post the theme is the message. Once she goes in and submits this, it would pop up down here. I can't post as her because I'm not her, but you would be able to see what her answer was. Now, if I was another student and I did not post, her post would come up here and it would just be grayed out. The other cool thing about this is that students could then they could add a file if they wanted to. They could add a link. They could also add a video or an audio recording to their assignment. So if you wanted them to show you how they did something, you can have them screen record a video of them answering what's 2 plus 2 and how they got that, drawing a picture, anything like that, and then they could then post their video so you could see their thinking. I hope you can use this in your class for a check for understanding or some sort of tune-out, and I hope this really works out for you all. If you have any questions about adding a discussion, feel free to stop by my room, shoot me an email, and I will help you in any way that I can. Have a great day, y'all, and I hope this helped.